Alright, we're going to start with this 2x4 today. Something pretty relatable, pretty common scrap to have around, the offcut on a 2x4. Should get, I'm guessing, at least 20 blocks out of this the way we're going to make them. So let's get this thing cleaned up first. Got both sides cleaned up nice, both faces. Save us some time sanding later. So now let's take down the sides, get them nice and clean. You don't even really have to do this. You could just work with the piece right from here. But I'm going to take really slight cuts off the edge of this with my table saw, just a few passes, just to get it nice and clean. And then I'm going to rip it down the middle. So this is what we have to show for ourselves. A nice cleaned up 2x4. We are ready to rip this right down the middle now and see how many blocks we get after we flip it around and cross cut it with the miter gauge. Alright, you might notice that these already look a lot like blocks. You could in fact be done right now. These don't have finish, they're sanded to 220. If you want, it might be worth hitting them with something like 400 if you're going to leave them unfinished, get them like extra super smooth. Otherwise, you can go ahead and hit these with something like a cutting board oil, a food safe wax, mineral oils. Those are all great. So we're going to go ahead and use a mineral oil that's meant for cutting boards. And then I'm going to take these one step further and I'm going to engrave them with the laser, and I'm going to put some nice animal designs on them and really go that extra mile. But for a basic block, you're pretty much done at this point.